Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, September 15th, 2020. Today we are going to be working on adding word problems. I am your host, Miss Mosley, and of course with me today is the great Addie Jack. Let's go ahead and move into our question. Before we get started with our question though, Addie has something that she would like to remind you guys. Please remember to get a piece of paper and a pencil to write with. So if you do not have a piece of paper and a pencil, go ahead and pause the video now and go grab that because I want you to work through this problem with us. Let's go ahead and get started. Roger has 2 boxes of nails. One box has 439 nails, and the other box has 375 nails. How many nails does Roger have in these 2 boxes? So normally, when you're doing this at school, you would have the paper in front of you, and you would be practicing your circling, boxing, and underline strategies. Since you are not at school and you don't have this paper to be able to write on, I'm going to show you how that's going to be done. That way when we get back to school, you know what that should look like. So first thing you want to always focus on is circling your numbers and your labels. So we have 438 nails, and we have 375 nails. Then we want to underline our question. How many nails does Roger have in these 2 boxes? How many nails does he have in these 2 boxes? Okay, our keyword is going to be in the 2 boxes. That tells us that we are going to add these 2 numbers. So on your paper, you should be writing what I write. So now we know we need to add, so we're going to go ahead and stack these numbers. So we have 438 plus 375. If you need to pause the video to stack those numbers on your paper, go ahead and do that now. Remember guys, you can pause at any time if you're a little bit behind and you need to write something, okay? So now we're going to add these numbers. 8 plus 5. So we're going to start with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so when we don't just write the number 13. We put our 3 and we carry our 1. That's called regrouping. We put our 3, carry our 1. Now we're going to add these 3 digits. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 more is 11. Again, I put my 1 and I carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. So now we have our answer of 813. So our answer would be A. So the key takeaways from this today, guys, is make sure that you are circling your numbers and your labels. You always underline the question and you box the keyword. The keyword is always going to tell you whether you're going to be adding or subtracting, okay? And also, we always show our work. So when we add, we're going to stack our numbers. And remember that if you get a 2-digit answer, you always carry the 1 to the next one. Okay? If you have any questions about this problem, I would go back and rewatch it and work this out on a piece of paper on your own and see if you get the same answer. After this video is over, you're going to click the next button, and that's going to take you to a quiz, and you are going to practice doing some of these on your own. Okay, guys? That is it for today. Tune in tomorrow for another STAR question. Addie, would you like to say bye to everybody? Bye, guys.